guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Olaplex No. 3 treatment. So I've been hearing really good things about this treatment, and a lot of people say that like it fixes their hair, it rebirths it, and like brings it back to its original state before it was damaged. So I'm really gonna try this out for my curls on the top because they're way looser and way more frizzier than like these curls. So yeah, it says use once per week for damaged hair 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel. I almost fell. Apply on damp towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair, shampoo and condition as usual. For more information, go to Olaplex.com. Okay, so I'm gonna be rinsing my hair from what it is right now. Like, let me just show you guys the original state. This is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna be rinsing my hair with water, then coming back and applying this treatment. I'm not gonna tangle my hair or anything. I'm gonna do that while this is in there so I can test its slip. I don't know how I forgot that. So I can test how well its slip is and how it smells and just like the consistency and everything all together. So yeah, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I post. Alright, let's get started, guys. Alright guys, so I just wet my hair. It's very low porosity, so it's gonna dry really quickly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So this is my hair right now. It still has knots and like everything. I'm gonna take off my jewelry. I'm gonna be using the Tangle Teezer brush to help apply the product, so make sure it's even distributed, and then my spray bottle so that my hair is wet, not soaked, but like wet enough. Because if not, then the product isn't gonna get in my hair at all. And I'm gonna have to use way more than I need. So the reason why, I forgot to mention, the reason why this video is called Olaplex No. 3 Is It Worth It is because it is 3.3 ounces and it is $30. So that is kind of like outrageous, but we're gonna see. There's a little thing on it. Yes. Alright, so let's see. Let's start off with how it smells. I can already tell it has a very thin consistency. But it smells good. It smells really good. Is it gonna come out? Oh, it's not as thin as I thought. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by applying this much to this section. So it does have a pretty good consistency and pretty good slip because it is detangling my hair, since my hair was just wet with tangles. Sorry. So now I'm gonna take the brush so that it makes sure it's applied evenly throughout my hair, and I'm making sure that my hair is like really has this product, like it's absorbed and has a lot. So this is the difference between hair that does not have the product and then the hair that does have the product. So you can like really see the difference in the curls. So now I'm going to use some on this side. And it does have pretty good slip because I'm able to detangle right away. So this is with the product. So now I'm just gonna fast forward to when it is on all of my hair. Okay guys, so this is my wet results. It took me about, let me say 7 minutes to put it on my whole head. And I just made sure I applied more towards my ends, since that is where my color treated hair is, and towards the back of my hair, because that is where my trouble sections are. So I'm gonna say I can't really say at the moment because I can't tell. I don't think I used that much because it still looks white all around. So I don't think I used, oh no wait, I think I used about that much maybe? I don't know. Let's see. I think I might have used about that much, which is kind of a lot since, you know, it's only 3.3 fluid ounces and it is $30. So we're just gonna pray that it does what it's supposed to and that it's actually worth the hype. So basically I'm gonna leave this in for 30 minutes because I heard that if some people left it in for more than 30 minutes and it did the opposite and it damaged their hair. I'm gonna add a little more, and it damaged their hair. So I'm not gonna leave it in for more than 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna put it in a bun. Here. I'm just gonna flip and put it in a bun so that my hair can really penetrate the product, and it will be good. I lied, my hair is really short for a bun. We can try to put a bun, but it may not work. There you go. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this in my hair for the half an hour. It is 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna leave it until 12:30, and then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna show you my hair with it in before I take it out, and then I'm gonna show you my hair once I take it out, and then I'm gonna show you my hair when it's styled, so that we can really see if it really made a difference or not. Alright guys? Alright, so I'll be back once the half an hour is up. Alright guys, so it has been the half an hour. So now I'm going to take this off and show you guys what it looks like, what my hair looks like. So with it still in my hair, look in the mirror, I can see that my curls are clumping together more, and like the shine is there, but the shine is always there when my hair is wet with like most products. But I can definitely feel that my hair is healthier. Like I feel like my hair is healthier, and my curls are definitely more defined, like these, and they're more clumped together. So as of right now, still with the product in my hair, the product did its job. So now I'm just gonna rinse it out and go with my normal routine. For today, I'm gonna be using the Palmer's Natural Fusions cleanser, the rose water cleanser. I'm gonna be using the rose water conditioner. I'm gonna be using the Uncle Funky's Daughter hair mask, and of course my usual We Dad leave-in and We Dad Vita gel. So then I'm gonna come back to you guys when my hair has the products in it and is wet, and I'm gonna come back to you guys when my hair has products in it and is dry. Alright guys, so these are my wet results. I put all my bangs to one side so that in the end I can like fluff it up to the front. But these are my wet results. I kind of see a difference. Like usually my hair, turn around. Usually my hair starts to like frizz in certain places by now, and it like hasn't. So hopefully that's because of the Olaplex. So basically I'm just gonna let it air dry because I don't diffuse. So I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks dry and if I really think the Olaplex did something or not. Alright guys, so these were my results after I styled. Honestly, like if I'm being completely honest, I do see a difference. Like my curls are more defined, and recently since I got my cut, I haven't been able to style my hair to my like liking, and it's been like really flat on day one, and like I haven't really liked it. But I don't know if it's, I mean, I did the same routine that I have been doing since I got the cut, and I haven't achieved this look, like this much definition and this much shine that I like want, and this is like what I aim for on day one, and I finally got it. I'm gonna assume that it was because of the Olaplex, since I've used the same process that I've been using for the past like 3 weeks on my hair. So, and I haven't gotten these results. So just to like show you guys a little more in detail, this is what my hair is looking like. And like back to the top sections, clearly it was going to be more frizzy before because it was like day 4 hair. But even though it is day 1, I want to start with I never diffuse my hair. And today it was Christmas, so I was in a rush and I had to diffuse my hair. The reason I don't diffuse my hair is because I don't do it correctly and my hair ends up looking like a big frizz ball. But I decided to take the chance today to diffuse my hair, and it didn't come out bad, as you guys can see. Like, there's no frizz or anything. And I honestly think this has to do with Olaplex. Like, the pieces up here that aren't as defined as the ones down here, yes, they're a little frizzy, but that's how my hair always has been since I was younger. So yeah, like you can see over here, and that Olaplex definitely gave it more definition than it had before. Because before it was like little spirals that just went like that. Like, let me say 3A with like frizz. And now it's still like 3A, but there's still more of a curl to it, like over here. There's still more of a curl to it. So yeah, I definitely say try out the Olaplex. I honestly, I'm gonna buy it again. Like, no chance I'm gonna buy it again. The only problem I have with it is that it's $30. So, is it worth $30? If you have it, then get it. If it is a stretch, don't get it. Because I'm not going to say, oh, it's a holy grail. I used it once. I can't say it's a holy grail. I can't say, oh, go out and spend your last $30 on Olaplex. Like, no. If you have it, then get it. If it's too much of a stretch, then don't get it because it's not that serious. Like, yes, it made my hair look great, but I've only used it once. So I don't know how it's going to make my hair after maybe 5 weeks or so of using it. So yeah, and I also say, like, try to find a cheaper alternative. I haven't found one that makes my hair like this, but try to find a cheaper alternative before you go for the Olaplex number 3. So yes, I recommend it if you have the money. No, I don't recommend it if you don't have the money because, like, it's not that serious. It's $30 for, like, this little bottle. So, like, it's not that serious. So, yeah, I'm probably going to do, like, a follow-up video with, like, oh, months in using Olaplex, or, I mean, if it lasts me that long, because I already use, like, this much of the bottle. But I'm probably going to do another video, like, month into Olaplex, 2 months into Olaplex if I buy it again. Yeah, so you guys can see if it's actually transforming my hair or not. Alright, guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so that you get notified whenever I post. Oh, forgot to mention one more thing. So if you guys have me on Instagram, you know that I've been opening up a website called curlyhairmagic.com. So on the website, I sell hoodies, t-shirts, and mugs. So, and it's like for curly girl merch. So basically, I just wanted to, like, let you guys know. I'm going to put, like, the split screen so that you guys can see what I sell and things we have. And if you guys have any suggestions of quotes or pictures to put on the t-shirt, just let me know. You can inbox me on Instagram. It's JadahAlexa. Or you can inbox me at Curly Hair Magic Inc. on Instagram. And then I will definitely take your ideas in consideration and will most likely use them on a t-shirt design or on a hoodie or on a mug. Just let me know. Alright, guys. So, yeah.